Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling feature. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Fedora37 backup settings. Link. Creating a backup area. Configuring automatic backups. Creating a backup area. Turn off the server and add an HDD, one with a larger capacity than the main HDD. Connect to the server using the Windows Remote Desktop feature. Select activities, show applications. Select utilities. Select disk. Select backup HDD plus. Set size, set name, create to create partitions for initial backup and system backup. Click play button to mount it. Configuring automatic backups. I will update. Install Timeshift. Connect to the server using the Windows Remote Desktop feature. Select activities, Timeshift. Select RSYNC and click Next. Select System Backup and click Next. Select Daily and click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Settings. Click Users, select Include All, and click OK. Click Create to create a snapshot. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.